Forests. They are home to 80% of the life on Earth, from the deepest of their layers to the top of trees' crowns. Forests are the heroes, keeping our planet healthy and us alive. All of us. Forests are a barrier against erosions, landslides, and avalanches. They give us fresh air, clean the drinking water in our rivers, and they attract the rain we need to grow food. And yet, we are not treating them well. In only a couple of thousand years, humans have wiped out 80% of the planet's original cover. For every vanishing forest, we lost the most important buffer against climate warming. But not only that, about 2 billion rural people depend on forests to survive. It's where they find shelter, food, and water. It's their home, and by taking care of it, they protect them and they take care of us too.
Learn about forests, both local and global. Educate yourself about forests, their importance, and the threats they face. The more you learn about these wonderful ecosystems, the more you can appreciate their beauty, complexity, and critical role in our planet's health. With your newfound knowledge, you can also inspire others to take action. There are many excellent books, websites, and documentaries out there to explore.
Visit forest often. Spend time in forest and green spaces. They are inspiring. You will have a greater appreciation for and connection with the natural world, as well as positive effects on your health and well-being. As the world urbans and people spend more time with online, society is growing increasingly disconnected and separated from nature. So get outside, go hiking and camping, have a picnic, or try to spot some birds. Climb a tree if you dare.
Plant trees, the more the better. Deforestation is the critical part of the solution to climate change, and destroying purposely created ecosystems provide essential habitat for the native species. Plant trees in your community or donate to organizations that explore plant trees around the world. Keep in mind that planting trees should never be an excuse for destroying exciting forests, and when you donate, make sure that your money goes toward restoring native ecosystems rather than planting timber monocultures destined for logging.
Teach kids about forest through book and outdoor exploration. Kids are the future. Inspire in them a love of our planet. Read books about trees, teach them about forest ecosystems, or better yet, explore a park with them. Not only is nature good for kids, exposure to nature as children is correlated with positive environmental attitudes. As adults, let their curiosity run wild. You might discover something too.
This is not a forest. This is. There are more than 800 definitions of the forest. Deciding what exactly we call forest is vitally important to protect the environment. In the forest, each individual tree has a role to play. Has those every animal, every plant, every living being, big and small, microscopically small, trees breathe, talking in an excess CO2 human produce, hiding some it away, and using their nest to create healthy branches, nutrients, fruits, nuts, and beautiful landscape. Some trees give the soil to structure its needs to absorb that return water when it's drained, avoiding foods that would otherwise wash away perfectly fertile soil which we need to grow food. Food for us, but also for them. Together as an ecosystem, forests provide the extra balance life needs to arrive.
Advocate for climate change solution. Climate change is already impacting all aspects of human society and the natural world, especially forests. A warming climate will result in many species extinctions by disrupting the delicately balanced ecosystem on which countless creators depend. These aspects also to increase the frequency and severity of droughts and fires in places such as Australia, Indonesia, California, and the extremely biodiverse Amazon rainforest. Forests offset climate change by storing carbon and directly control rainfall and other climate patterns, combined to enact progress climate policies in your community and work reduce your own contribution to climate change.